Hello, we're going to be playing Ferris Wheel from the second edition Level 1 Faber book. And my right hand is going to be in my C5 finger scale. My left hand is going to be right next to it in this position. So my right thumb's on C, left thumb's on B. This is the same position as the previous piece, Sailing in the Sun. You can watch that video if you like. This piece is also practicing legato, and we've added a damper pedal. That's the far right pedal if you have 3 pedals. Okay, so we're using the far right pedal. When we play that pedal, notes continue to ring out even after we've let go of the notes. And we're going to hold the pedal down for the very end, for this part. Okay, which is actually in 3/4, and I played it in 4/4. By the way, a lot of my students like to go ahead and play way up here. You are welcome to do that. The book actually has you stopping right here. Let me adjust so that you can see the top of my keyboard. There we go. So you still can't even see up there. It's way up there. But if you just stop here, that is just fine. So here we go, Ferris Wheel. Pedal. And release at the same time. I let my hands go as I let the pedal up. The pedal's kind of optional. Have fun with it. It's a lovely sound. And that's it.